This about to be a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, No Fury. We're going to start off with the DIY sugar scrub. If you aren't subscribed, remember to subscribe and let's get into it. So we're going to start off, you're going to need an empty jar. This is an old sugar scrub that I had in the past. You're going to need some sugar. Regular white sugar is fine. You're going to need oil. These are the 3 oils of my choosing. I chose grapeseed, rosehip oil, as well as argan oil. All these oils have fatty omega acids, and grapeseed oil has vitamin E, which is very good for the skin. Then we have raw unfiltered honey. You can use any honey, but raw is best. And then you can use any body wash of your choosing. This one matches my old sugar scrub. I love the smell of this body wash, so I wanted it to smell like the sugar scrub. So you're gonna just pour some sugar into your container. I eyeballed this. Don't be like me. Make sure you don't get the chunks in there, because you don't want that. Who wants to scrub their ass with a chunk? You're gonna get that in there, and then you're gonna add some honey. I eyeballed all these ingredients, you guys. You're gonna mix up the honey and the sugar until it forms like a paste kind of consistency. Don't worry, it's gonna get thinner. Then you're gonna add more honey just so it can get a consistency that forms paste. You don't want it to be super gritty. Then you're gonna add your oils. I added a couple pumps of rosehip. I add about 3 squeezes of the argan, and then I eyeballed the grapeseed oil. You can use as much as you like. You're gonna mix that around until you form kind of like a just a smoother consistency. You can honestly leave it like this, like you're about to see, if you want a more exfoliating sugar scrub, but I like mine to be a little bit thinner. It just all depends on your preference. This is where the body wash comes in. It changes the consistency to a smoother consistency. You're gonna want it to be the texture of pretty much like applesauce, which is kind of like right here. And yeah, you guys, we're gonna close this up and head to the shower. I absolutely love the Dove body wash. It is so moisturizing. Who else tests their water like this? I gotta test it before I get in there. I wash my body with a washcloth, nothing special. I get a really good lather, and then I just start to wash my body. Nothing special, nothing in particular. I like to just get clean. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys my full body because duh, like who do I look like? I just wanted to show you guys my shower head. This is a filtered shower head. If you live in an area like me with hard water, this is definitely a must, especially if you have dry skin. I highly recommend this. I love this, and it has definitely been a game changer for me. Now it's time to exfoliate with the exfoliator we made. I love this sugar scrub, you guys. It came out so good. Like, my skin was so soft. Like, look how glowy I am. Like, yes, no dry skin, period. Like, make sure you guys exfoliate. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys exfoliating my whole body, but I did exfoliate my whole body. Now to shave. This is the Gillette Pro Glide Power Razor. I like it because it vibrates for a closer shave. It's really, really good. I also like to use the Cremo shaving cream in combination with this. It helps me get a really close shave. I also like the $5 Shave Club razors. I lather up my legs with body wash, and then I go in with the shaving cream for a closer shave, and then I just go against the grain. I go against the hair. That's how you truly get a closer shave. I like to go against the grain. Now, this is something I want to talk to you guys about. I do have strawberry skin. If you cannot tell, those little dots all over my legs, that is strawberry skin, basically where the follicles or pores are clogged. I've dealt with it all my life. It's all over my body pretty much, so I have to make sure I exfoliate so my skin doesn't act a fool. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys. I finished up using my feminine wash by the Honey Pot. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend. Time to moisturize that skin, girl. So if you don't use the Nivea blue lotion, the essentially enriched baby, I don't know what you're doing. This lotion, I've been using this for years. This lotion is it, especially if you have dry skin or eczema. It does have fragrance, so if you have super bad eczema, I don't recommend. But if you have like eczema that's like minimum, you can still wear fragrance. This is key. It's not even like a strong fragrance, but it is so nourishing. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this lotion. If you don't put lotion on when you get out the shower, what are you doing, sis? I like to go in with my perfume of choice. Today, this is one from Urban Outfitters, and I like to mix this one with this lotion that I get from Bath and Body Works. I literally only just put it on my arms and my neck just because I like the scents together. Do y'all do that too? Do y'all mix scents? I like to mix scents, you know, be a little smell good. And then you got to put on deodorant. If you don't put on deodorant, you're the reason why Arby's is still in business. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.